When it comes to taking care of your home, finding a company you can truly trust makes all the difference. That's exactly why so many homeowners in Troy rely on my quality windows, roofing, siding, and more of Troy. With years of experience and a strong local reputation, this team has become the go-to choice for everything from window replacements to full roofing and siding projects. A local team that understands Troy homeowners know their homes face a range of weather, from snowy winters to rainy springs and hot summers. That's why it's important to hire a company that knows the area and understands how to build and protect homes accordingly. My Quality Windows, Roofing, Siding, and More of Troy isn't just a contractor, they're a local team. They understand the climate, the building codes, and the style preferences of the community. This local insight means their work stands up to Troy's unique conditions while also blending in well with the neighborhood. Quality work backed by real experience trust doesn't happen overnight. It's earned through consistent results and reliable service. Homeowners in Troy have learned that this company delivers exactly that. Whether it's installing energy-efficient windows, replacing worn-out siding, or putting on a brand new roof, the crew at My Quality is known for doing the job right the first time. They use quality materials and never cut corners. But it's not just about what they install, it's how they do it. The team is respectful of your space, cleans up after the job, and keeps communication clear from start to finish. Homeowners feel like they're in good hands, and they are. Transparent estimates and no surprises. One of the biggest concerns homeowners have when hiring any contractor is the fear of hidden fees, upcharges, or unexpected delays. That's why My Quality Windows, Roofing, Siding, and More of Troy has made it a priority to be upfront and honest from the beginning. Their estimates are detailed and straightforward, and their pricing is fair. Customers know exactly what to expect before work begins. If anything changes during the project, the team communicates clearly and offers options. That kind of honesty goes a long way in building long-term trust, and it's one of the reasons so many Troy homeowners recommend them to friends and family. Fast response and dependable service. From emergency roof repairs to last-minute window fixes, My Quality is known for being responsive and dependable. Homeowners don't have to wait weeks for someone to return their call or show up late for an appointment. This company respects your time. They show up when they say they will and get the job done on schedule. Whether it's a small repair or a full home exterior upgrade, the team treats every job with care and urgency. That kind of reliability is rare, and it's part of what keeps customers coming back. A reputation built on happy homeowners. Perhaps the strongest sign of trust is the number of repeat customers and referrals this company gets. Troy Homeowners Talk. When someone has a great experience with a local contractor, word spreads, and in this case, the word is overwhelmingly positive. From glowing online reviews to neighborhood recommendations, My Quality Windows, Roofing, Siding, and More of Troy has built its reputation one satisfied homeowner at a time. It's not about big marketing campaigns, it's about real results, happy clients, and homes that look and feel better after the job is done. For Troy homeowners who want peace of mind, lasting quality, and honest service, My Quality Windows, Roofing, Siding and more of Troy continues to be a trusted name. It's not just about fixing what's broken, it's about improving your home and protecting what matters most.